What's going on, guys? Father Man White here. Now I want to make a quick short video, but it's very important, so let me tell you what it is. We're talking about the air filter today, the engine air filter to be specific. Now what you want to do is, the rule of thumb is to change it every 15,000 miles or every 12 months, whichever one. Or if you're going through construction or something like that where there's a lot of dust, then you might need to change it sooner. But anyways, if you look right here, this box, now it's going to be different in every car, but this box right here is the air filter. So as you can see, it has some clips. Some of them might have screws. It all depends on what you have, right? So we'll pop all these clips off. And it's a very simple process to switch it out. Today I don't have an air filter to switch it out with, but we'll just show you the process. Let's see, just like that, very simply. Now you can see this one's a little dirty, right? I mean, it has some leaves in there and stuff. And this is everything that the air filter sucks in to filter out the air that goes into the engine. Like this one is go be up soon, as you can see. It's a little dirty. You see how it should be white like that. And they're all different colors. You might have one that's green, you might have one that's red. It just all depends. So then again, simply you get the new one, you lift this up, you slide it right in, you close it down, put the clips back in, and that's pretty much it. You're done. Anyways, it's been Father Man White. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.